All right, you guys, buenos dias, que paso? John's Moto Garage. Here we are. This has been, I don't know, like a year plus in the making, but we made it to Rebel Reaper. Here it is in Scottsdale. Now, you can follow the dude on Instagram, Rebel Reaper, and you can purchase all his stuff online. But if you do happen to be here local, definitely stop by the shop one of these days. Hit him up, tell him you're coming. He's got a super rad setup. So we're gonna do a quick shop tour, and then either in this video or the next, we'll also do a meet and greet, get to know Matt, the owner behind Rebel Reaper. Where does he get his inspiration? How did he come up with this? The dude is about my age, a little younger actually, and he built this business up from the ground up. So he's basically living the American dream, but we'll see how he got to where he is. So here it is. Hold on. All right, there we go. Matt, my man, what's up, bro?
What's up, guys? How's it going?
Pretty good, dude. So this is the humble abode. I already did a little intro. So this is Matt, the owner of and founder of Rebel Reaper. I'm gonna hand it off to you, Matt.
Cool. Thanks for coming, John. Appreciate it, man. So welcome, guys. We're here at the Rebel Reaper warehouse. Just kind of give you a little bit of a brief tour about it. We're started basically back in 2016. We got a full warehouse in the back. We got a custom vest room. You can see right here, you know, we are good friends with Simpson, Saddleman, Lex and Moto. We're good friends with a lot of people in the industry. We support those who support us. So as you guys come in here, you can see we do have some products up in the front. We do have a lot of products in the back that which we'll get to as well. But we do carry a lot of other brands that influence us, that support us. And yeah, so moving into here, this is the custom vest room. As you guys can see, this is the full end custom room. So you can decide what you want. You can come in through the door in person. We get you tailored, fit up. We got take your measurements, write your name down in the book, handy dandy book. And then we basically make what you want. If you want denim, if you want double diamond stitch, if you want tuck and roll shoulders, if you got your own custom liner that you want, or provide your own artwork, you can come in here. And to be honest with you guys, we never actually really wanted to be a full-in custom vest shop or custom jacket. We just kind of turned into that. The brand has really picked up in the last couple of years. People starting to really talk about the word of mouth as far as the quality, the customer service. Everything kind of pretty much speaks for itself here, and we take a lot of pride in actually making sure we get you guys exactly what you need, the absolute best that you can get. So we do warranty everything that we do, and you know, we just try to focus on one big thing, which is quality and assuring that you get exactly what you want. That actually is, you guys are seeing it first and foremost before anyone, even on our page.
Shoot. Sneak peek, dude.
Yeah, so that's a sneak peek on our Rebel Reaper clothing page at rebelreaper.com. You can follow us there as well, but this is not even released, so that's one thing. But this actually right here, real quick, is from a customer named Paul. He actually came in person to pick it exactly what he wanted, but he wanted a perforated torso. He wanted the double diamond stitch on the back, solid front end so we can add his patches on the front. But anyway, so I just want to show you guys, you know, we do have customers that come in person and we can get them all dialed as well. We recommend if you order online or if you're out of state, just reference our size chart, do the measurements yourself. I or someone on the team will be able to help you out. We have a dedicated team that helps out with the custom vests to help you guys out.
All right, let me check these rad photos, bro. And this is you on your original bike, right?
Yeah, so that was a tracker bike that, shout out to Cruzy Originals that helped us out with the build on that one. That's a dyna that I built myself a couple of years ago.
Auctioned that one off, right?
Yep, that one's gone. Then I have the current dyna that I have right now with the gold flames, but you can see pretty much, you know, when you walk into the shop, we try to make everything flow and make sense, kind of tell a story about the brand. That actually, by the way, is handmade by my friend Jay Espinoza out there at Revival Art Collective.
Oh, no kidding.
Yeah, we have a lot of friends in the tattoo community and a lot of people that we support and kind of everything. Oh, shout out to Monster too. They hooked us up. And then here, guys, welcome. This is the warehouse. So if you move on into the back, this is the pretty much the entire inventory that we have, not including what's in the back. We're actually outgrowing this place, so we're already looking for someplace new. That's my 1929 Ford Model A rat rod.
This will have a video in and of itself just for this at some point, I'm sure.
And then there's the wife's bike, a couple other things. Yeah, we're still working on that. And then you transition over here, so we can get you guys fitted, pretty much anything you need. We have on the shelf, ready to go, things that you guys can buy. When it comes to vests, any kind of sort that you like. So if you like red stitching, white stitching, you just like solid black, collared or collarless, you know, we're probably one of the largest ones out there that actually have vests in stock ready to go, shipped to you. or you can come in person and pick it up. So that's one of the freedom vests that we have on our website as well. We got jackets in stock, ready to go. We're ready for wintertime. That is our busiest time. We're really going to be picking up, so we have a lot of stuff in stock ready to go. We got tees. Bob here, he doesn't say much, but you know, he loves Simpson and he loves wearing Rebel Reaper. Moving on over here, as you guys can see, if you look around here, just take a moment to briefly talk. I have a lot of friends in the military. We're big advocates and huge supporters of our vets and military, which we do military discounts. A lot of people that I grew up personally, and we're very passionate about supporting vets in our military. But if you look around, everything you can see when it comes to music, you know, it tells a lot of bit about the brand. That's actually an old Singer genuine sewing machine that actually was used back in the day to make, you know, high-end quality denim and alterations and stuff like that. And then you move on over here, you can see our button-ups that we have. We got, you know, old school music CDs on the wall, Johnny Cash, which is a huge influence. Yep, the man himself, the king. And then, you know, we got denim in stock, ready to go. A lot of the things that we're very well known for is the selvage denim that we do. So over the last 2 years, I myself actually have designed and hand drawn and come up with the mock-ups and styles that we want our customers to actually be a part of something that's a little bit different, not so much cookie cutter on the shelf. So we try to design things a little bit outside the box. And fortunately, a lot of our customers really like the style, and that's kind of just where we've been at. We can pretty much do from hats to gloves to t-shirts to keychains to sunglasses, pretty much everything across the board, socks and whatnot. And by the way, huge shout out to our friends over at Lexington. Great guys.
Bam.
They've supported us for a long time. We support them back. And that's pretty much it. So if you guys ever come down, please feel free, drop on by. We'll take care of you, either myself or someone on the team, and we'll get you dialed.
Bam, so there you have it. Big shout out to Matt here. Again, he is the founder. We're gonna wrap it up. That's the tour of the Rebel Reaper warehouse. But I will be doing a video, kind of a meet and greet with Matt, get to know the dude behind Rebel Reaper, and again, how he came up with the idea and what drives him, and how the heck does he get to have so much fun but also run a super gnarly business.
Appreciate that, man. Thank you.
Thanks a bunch, dude. And then also, we're gonna be doing a giveaway at some point. We haven't worked out the details yet, but it will be happening. I'm talking gloves, I'm talking a rad vest. We got to get some of the viewers and subs and the fans out there geared up with some of this Rebel Reaper clothing.
By the way, I did find you. I was actually watching John before reaching out to him. Okay, so when we do that, we work with people who we love, we support in the industry, those who actually are out there for the right reasons. John's one of those guys. So, you know, if we work with you, that's because we know you're doing it for the right reasons. And we support John even prior to that day. So
yeah. I like to support the companies that support the industry and the community, and Matt is definitely passionate about what he does, and he you can just tell he puts his heart and soul into what he does. So that's enough schmoozing. I think I got a good deal on some stuff here, so we're good, man.
Cool. But thank you guys.
Hey, thanks again. Like, subscribe if you dig it. Stay tuned for some other videos. Drop a comment below and like if you want to see a walk around and more in-depth video on this rat rod, because this thing is freaking gnarly. And yeah, we'll call it good there. Adios, nos vemos.